Happy Thanksgiving!
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 From the Hays CISD Transportation family.
Happy Thanksgiving!
On behalf of the Communication and Safety Departments here at Hays CISD,
Happy Thanksgiving!
Feliz Día de Acción de Gracias!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Thank you so much for always partnering with Hays CISD, and we just want to wish you a great Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
From all of us at Hays CISD, I just want to wish you and your family and loved ones the best Thanksgiving break ever. I hope you enjoy some quality rest and relaxation. And just a reminder that classes will resume on December 2nd. So looking forward to seeing you then. But in the meantime, enjoy the break.